Imagine a world where your phone screen cracks and then heals itself, where roads fill their own potholes, and where airplanes can repair themselves mid-flight. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's actually the future of self-healing materials. Scientists have created plastics, metals, and even concrete that can repair themselves when damaged. And it's all possible thanks to some clever tricks that we're going to tell you about right now. One way to make a self-healing material is to mix in tiny capsules filled with liquid. When the material cracks, the capsules break open, and the liquid rushes to the gap and solidifies, sealing the crack. It's kind of like those spill-fix kits you can buy for your car, but this is much more high-tech. For example, a team led by a materials scientist at a university has developed a plastic that remains strong and flexible after being repeatedly scratched and gouged. The secret is a type of liquid metal. When the material is damaged, the liquid metal flows to the surface and creates a thin film just below the top layer. There it rapidly solidifies and protects the structure from further damage. The cool thing is, this process can happen over and over again. So the material is not only self-healing, but it's also self-preserving. Other self-healing materials work in a completely different way. They mimic the way our bodies heal from cuts and scratches. You see, our skin cells can sense when they've been damaged, and they quickly rush to the site of the injury to repair the damage. To make this possible, scientists have created a material with two parts, a stiff outer shell and a soft inner core. When the material is damaged, the outer shell sends signals to the inner core, and it flows to the damaged area and solidifies. The result is a material that's tough and resilient. But what about self-healing concrete? A team of civil engineers has developed a type of concrete that can heal cracks up to half an inch wide. The key is a polymer that flows to the crack and fills it up. The polymer is actually a bit thicker than the ideal consistency of concrete, so it doesn't mix well with the rest of the material. But that's actually a good thing because it forces the polymer to create its own internal structure as it flows, which makes it stronger and more resistant to water and chemicals. Self-healing concrete could save us billions of dollars every year because we spend so much money on repairing and replacing damaged concrete. And self-repairing electronics could save us from ourselves, because we could finally stop throwing away our broken devices. But perhaps the coolest thing about these self-healing materials is that they show us how we can create products that last forever. No more throwaway culture, no more landfills. If we can create materials that heal themselves, then nothing we build will ever truly break. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you want to learn more about the future of technology, then check out our other videos.